in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your taskbar is missing on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the easiest way, if you just took your mouse cursor and then just dragged it over to the bottom of the screen, your taskbar should appear. While it's appeared and your mouse is hovering over it, you want to right-click on it and select Taskbar Settings. Alternatively, you can tap the Windows key on your keyboard to open up the search menu, and then you could just type in Taskbar Settings. Again, should be the same page it'll take you to either way. And then on this page, go down to Taskbar Behaviors, expand that dropdown, and where it says automatically hide the taskbar, go ahead and uncheck that, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.